Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMums.
Winter care for food. This is what preparing your pregnancy plate looks like. Hi mommies, expecting a baby is one of the most exciting experiences of a couple's life. To make this journey smooth, an expectant mom should watch her eating habits so that she can avoid any unpleasant symptoms due to unhealthy eating. Watching what's on your plate during pregnancy is very, very important. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, will tell you a variety of foods that even provide you a lot of nutrition. When you're pregnant, it is recommended to consume a balanced diet that includes all the basic 5 food groups such as cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, milk and its products and fats also. So let's see about this winter foods that you must include in your diet. 1. Cereals and grains. We have a variety of grains and cereals that are available in this country. Millet, bajra is one such cereal which is favored in the winter season. There are many varieties of millet like little millet, proso millet, finger millet, foxtail millet, kodo millet and barnyard millet. They all differ from each other in color, texture, taste and nutritional value. So in a nutshell, millets are a good source of iron, protein, fiber, potassium, antioxidants, calcium and folate. So there is so much in this, so you must definitely include this in your diet. 2. Fruits. Winter brings in a lot of fresh and juicy fruits like oranges, sweet lime, apple, apricots, guava, gooseberries. And consumption of these seasonal fruits will add value to your diet. And during pregnancy, it is recommended to have vitamin C because that will help in iron absorption in your body. These fruits are a great source of antioxidants and folates and they are low in calories too. 3. Vegetables. Seasonal vegetables not only taste good, they also contain the essential nutrients to suit the body's requirements in this weather. Include fenugreek leaves, mustard leaves, spinach, amaranth greens, carrot, fresh peas, yam, sweet potato, beetroot, drumsticks in your diet. So all these veggies will provide a lot of health benefits since they contain a variety of unique health boosting nutrients like iron, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, vitamins, all the vitamin B1, 2, 6, folic acid and fiber. 4. Milk and dairy products. We are aware of the benefits of milk, especially during pregnancy. After all, it helps to build strong bones in the growing baby. During winters, you can use milk in a variety of preparations. These recipes enhance the taste of the milk and also nutrition. You can add milk to soups to add flavor and nutrition. You can also have ginger, turmeric, black pepper, saffron milk. 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats to the body as well as many other nutrients. Eating apricots, figs, raisins during pregnancy is advised to boost the mother's iron intake since they are prone to anemia. Walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids and aid in the child's neurodevelopment. 6. Fats and oils. Fats and oils consumption plays a vital role for the fat-soluble vitamin absorption in your body. And during pregnancy, they help in the baby's brain and eye development. These days, a wide variety of oils and fats are available in the market. Choose grass-fed animal fats or cold-pressed oils for maximum benefits. 7. Fluids. It is very important to keep yourself hydrated during pregnancy to prevent yourself from constipation as well as to maintain the amniotic fluid levels. Drink liquids throughout the day. Even if you're not feeling thirsty, you can increase your liquid intake by enjoying different types of soups like tomato soup, beetroot soup, spinach soup, broccoli, mushroom, and so many other soups. And here is what you must avoid. 1. In winters, the desire to drink hot liquids increases. Due to this, some of you start drinking too much of tea or coffee throughout the day. But for you, it is important that excess consumption will block the iron absorption in the body and can lead to anemia and digestive issues. 2. During this season, our body craves for rich foods and hence fried food consumption increases. But during pregnancy, excess consumption can lead to heartburn, acidity, or excessive weight gain and can lead to gestational diabetes too. 3. It is also important to control your sugar cravings, especially during these winters. So one should avoid that total sugar intake that you're consuming in the form of chikkis, panjiri, pinni, gajar ka halwa. 4. Ghee is very important, but avoid overconsumption of ghee in the form of gajar ka halwa, moong dal halwa, or even in saag. Excess calorie intake can cause extra weight gain in your pregnancy. So remember to eat healthy, quantity wise and quality wise too. Thank you and namaste.